I'ma head out then.
They going to be. What's up, man? Come on, man. Hey, you know we gotta do it again.
Yeah, man, we changed it up a little bit. So.
Man, I see you with the big amps back there.
Yeah, we got two 12Ks now.
Yeah.
Versus the 4 8Ks. I moved it where it's safe now.
Yeah. Where it's safe.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'll get you something a little low and then we'll do something a little high, man. Sound good?
That'll work. It'll work.
Shattering glass and tapping asses. This is DJ Ruckus.
That's a little bit different from last time.
Let's go a little higher now.
Okay.
Oh no, you got a lamp out. Oh shit, right? Let's do, how you doing on 10? Good? Yeah, I think 10's good.
That boat just jumped right back up there, won't it?
Yeah, it's not bad, man. I'd like to see a little bit higher, but that's getting there. I'm just nervous because, you know, I waited to dead, I had the issue, so.
Ain't trying not to have no issue this time. At least make it through this
long drive to have an issue.
Yeah, it is. Appreciate it, man. Audio.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.